name is June Karaoke.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is June Karaoke. For this when you're here, thank you so much for tuning in. So today is going to be a rather long weekend, so I'm headed to go shoot content in Murang'a County for the weekend. So it's going to be a long weekend. If you're Kenyan, you know we have this long Labor Day weekend from Saturday, Sunday and Monday, so we are taking advantage of that. We want to launch a new it's a new like restaurant, or let me not spoil it, I'll show you guys and I'll share with you guys the details. So we are doing the shoot now, the shoot today, tomorrow and on Monday as well. So I'm going to be showing you guys BTS behind the scenes of how the shoot is going to go. I hope it's going to turn out well, but I know definitely it will. So I'll be making a couple of recipes there, 1 or 2 recipes there, and alongside 2 other chefs that we have that you probably see in the video probably later on or something of the sort. So yeah, so it's going to be an exciting weekend. I cannot wait. I'm very excited. And yes, so let's go, let's travel. Justus, salimia watu Justus. Angalia hapa una waste content yangu.
Justus, hi guys.
So yesterday was a success. On Friday we did a shoot on a number of dishes. We did vegetarian meals, and we also did like non-vegetarian meals, where we did the batura with mango salsa and some masoor dal. We did nyama choma. We did, what else did we do? We did a number of meals that you guys probably saw in the previous clip. We did different curries, we did tandoori chicken, we did some rice, we did a lot, and it turned out amazing. The shoot was amazing. We also did an outside shoot where we shot the what's it called, the chef, while he was doing some of his the nyama choma outside. The pictures turned out amazing. I don't know if I'll have them by the time this vlog is up, but if I'll not have the pictures by then, I will put them in the next video, I promise. So that was that. Today I just woke up and I did a couple of shoots, so that's why I'm like this before I wear my chef's uniform and get to the kitchen, and then we are headed to go make an amazing breakfast, which you'll probably see after this clip, which I hope it's gonna turn out well as well. And yeah, so hope you guys are doing amazing. Hope you're loving the content thus far. I'm enjoying shooting content for you guys. So yeah, let's go make breakfast before I become late. So see you guys. now we're winding up. Ni jioni. I just showered kidogo. Today was amazing. So I just want to show you guys like a room tour of how this room looks like, and then yeah, I think that's that. Our weekend is done, so yeah, back to Nairobi. Let me show you guys the room.